Hi there, my friends. Today I was going to open a package of a laptop that I bought a month and a half ago on Black Friday, but I hadn't opened it since I bought it. And I thought to myself, why don't record it? I love watching unboxings because, you get like a feeling of a product, if you want to buy it, right? And it's also very interesting, in my case, I have to admit, if you want to return things, because you have to know exactly how to put them back so that they fit in the box, right? So sometimes, I must admit, I've used YouTube to search for unboxings of computers or stuff, that you need to put the things exactly in such a way so that they fit in the box. Anyway, so I like electronic devices and stuff, and I recently bought a very, very light notebook, which I'm going to show to you right now. It's this one. It's called the LG Gram because it's supposed to be the lightest notebook, and trust me, it is so light. It has a 17-inch screen, and it's so light. And I mean, what's the point of having a laptop if it's not like as light as possible, so you can just carry it around, right? And this one is really, it's like it doesn't weigh anything. And well, in this case, this one is an LG Gram 17-inch. It has an Intel Evo 11th generation Intel Core i7 processor, and this one has 1 gigabyte, 2 gigabytes of hard disk. It has 2 disks, one of 1 gigabyte and one terabyte, and another one of another terabyte of SSD memory. So it's just crazy. And the thing I love about it too is that it has a normal USB here, also a slot for an SD card, and it also has 2 new USB-C slots. So it's got everything for the new and the old things that you want to plug onto your computer. Anyway, so I had this and I loved it. It's really like so light, you wouldn't even believe it. But this I bought in summer, right? But and it's great. I mean, really, it weighs less than a 13-inch laptop, and it's great. But then one day I was walking around and I saw this laptop, and I was so amazed. The Samsung Galaxy Book Pro. Now, oh my God, it was like I lifted it and it was like feather light. It was like, really? This doesn't weigh anything. So in the end, I ended up buying it, and since I'm going to open it now, I just want to open it in front of you. I'm not going to go like deep in detail, and I'm not going to speak about the specs. It's just, so that you guys see how I open the box, right? And you see the laptop itself. So here I am, opening the package very carefully. You never know. Could be that the screen is damaged or something, then I have to return it, and so I better do it, gently. There we go. And so let's see what we have inside. So I remove the plastic. And I open the box. Nice box. White. For sure heavier than the original computer. And here we go. I think we have it right here. you see. So I'm just going to pull it out. Well, as you can see, and I'm not going to go through this here, for sure you have the normal typical charging cable, the plug, and some instructions. We don't need this, right? And here we have the computer, laptop. Let's open this. I'm so excited, guys. So this is the silver model. Look at it. Now this one has a 15.6 inch display, which is quite big. AMOLED, which is quite, original for laptops. So you open it, comes with a typical paper in the middle, and here you go. Oh my God, you can't believe. Now, the other one, the LG Cram was almost 3 pounds, like 1 kilogram, 300 grams. This one is just 1 kilogram. It's just like nothing. It's really like paper. It's incredible, really. And it has a nice feeling. This is aluminum, I can tell. This is plastic. Could be probably, could have a better build. Doesn't look cheap, but you can tell it's plastic, right? But it's definitely nice. I've already tried it when I saw it in the store. And one thing I like is that they moved the trackpad to the left side, because we type with the hands between the F and the J. So it's not in the exact middle. It's moved a little bit to one side, which is interesting. And now I'll just turn it on to see. I don't even know where. I guess it's here. And then, normally lately when you buy things, they all come charged, but if they don't, it's okay. Hi there, guys. I had to stop the video for a second because, to my surprise, this didn't have any power. Normally, I don't know why. Lately, every time I buy anything, any appliance, they always come with a little bit, at least, if not fully charged, with a little bit of power. But this one didn't, so I had to charge it for 5 minutes. So I'm going to press the fingerprint and turn on button. And here you can see, well, I'm going to choose Spanish from not this one. And no, it's asking me if I want to use Spanish from Mexico, but I'm from Spain, so I like Spanish from Spain. But this, I don't know how to change it. Just give me a second and I will. Hi there, I'm back. So I managed to choose Spanish from Spain. I mean, it's just, force of habit. And I'm stuck here with the, the Microsoft account. Now they all make you register with an account, which I don't like, but whatever. Anyway, the screen is quite nice. It's, like I said, AMOLED, and it is a little bit glary, but it's pretty nice. And also the speakers are quite, they're not super strong, but they're strong enough. So trust me, all in all, this is a nice device. And yeah, I definitely recommend you to buy it. The fingerprint thing works perfectly, which is important because, might not be the case in all models. And let me see, this has an SD card slot, an old USB port, a normal jack headphones, which is also interesting, HDMI, and 2 USB-C ports. So I think it's a perfect combination, because we all have new things that use USB-C, and the old USB. So there you go. So there you go, my friends. This is like, you know, in Spain we do this in summer when it's too hot. It really doesn't weigh anything. It's just crazy. Less than a kilogram. It's like nothing. And you can take it anywhere, and it has a huge screen, almost 6 inch, so you won't get, you know, blind by, you know, looking at it. So that, yeah, that's not about it. As you've seen, I'm sorry, let me just say one last thing. Yes, the bezels here is so thin. Maybe here they could have used a little bit more space, but I mean, it's like almost the whole screen. It's like it doesn't have any bezel, so it's really huge for the size of the device. This is really incredible. And I mean, if you carry it, you won't even, like, you know, feel it. Also, since now these new devices are charged with a USB-C device, you can use any, let me see, any charger, such as this one, which has like 60 watt, and a cable. That's all you need. You know, you don't need those old chargers that, you know, they would add a lot to the total weight of the thing. Like with this and small cable, you've got enough. And I think these lasts for 12 hours, but you know, they always say everything lasts double that what it really lasts. So I would say at least 6 or 7. So there you go. I hope you liked it, and I mean, it's a nice device, right? Well, thank you so much for watching the video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.